Coco, you want to do your jump again? Watch. Jump. Jump. Coco. Jump. Good girl, you jumped. You're on camera. Show everybody your pretty bow in your hair. Tug of war? You want to play tug of war? Jump! Coco, good girl. Coco. Jump! Good girl, you jumped! Coco? Let go? Let go? No? Okay. Want to play jump again? Okay, let's do the hokey pokey. You put your head in, you put your head out, and you shake it all about. Shake it up, shake it again. You do the hokey pokey, Coco, and what do you do? What do you do? You turn yourself around. Turn. Remember I taught you this? No? You don't want to play that? You put your nose in, you put your nose out, and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about, right? Oh, you did it good this time. You put your nose in, you put your nose out, and you shake it all about. Oh, you don't want to play. 1, 2, 3. Coco! Jump! Good girl! Want to do it again, Coco? You're not going to like me after this. Coco, jump! Good girl! I'm teaching you everything good. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Shake your head. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Coco, stay. Jump. Good girl. Good girl. Jump. Coco, jump. Good girl.